Ah, knowledge gap theory, a concept quite distant from my usual realm of narration expertise. Yet, together we shall embark on a brief exploration into this fascinating topic. Today, we delve into the world of educational theory, introducing you to a group of curious young minds from the University of Nevada, Reno. Together, we shall unravel the mysteries of the knowledge gap as these scholars seek to bridge the chasm between the informed and the uninformed.
The knowledge gap theory is mainly applied to research. The theory is used to conduct research on topics such as science and public affairs. The knowledge gap theory also has a connection with the motivation theory, as we showed throughout our project. The knowledge gap theory isn't limited to only science and public affairs, but can be used to conduct all kinds of research.
While in elementary, both of these young women succeeded academically. However, one was from a wealthy family, while the other was from a lower middle-class family. Now that they are in high school, one of them has priorities that take precedence over her academic pursuits. This is where the knowledge gap theory starts.
I got an A on this. What did you get?
I got a C-. I didn't get a chance to study though. At least I passed.
What are your plans for this weekend?
I have to babysit my little siblings because my mom works.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I was going to ask if you wanted to go to the museum this weekend.
That sounds fun, but I don't think I can because of my mom.
I'm sorry your parents are getting divorced.
I guess so, but that's just what I'm used to.
With any theory, there are strengths and limitations. Some of the strengths of the knowledge gap theory are that highly educated individuals can obtain knowledge or information much easier and faster than less educated or non-educated individuals. Highly educated people can also understand and utilize the obtained information a lot better. The limitations of this theory are that Dervin, 1980, argued that the knowledge gap theory was too traditional, based entirely on the conventional modes of sending and receiving information. Additionally, this theory does not take into account the amount of motivation a person has to succeed. In other words, you would have to remove the motivation variable in order to study or prove this theory.
I got another acceptance letter.
Acceptance to what?
College. Haven't you been applying?
I'm barely passing high school. There's no way I'm getting into college.
You can try and study. I can help you.
I'm good. I just don't think I have the time to study. I'm trying my best with what I have.
Now, at what is supposed to be the crescendo of their youthful academic successes, both of these women are on completely different paths. The roads they will now travel were paved by how differently each one of them was raised. That upbringing of which they had no control over will continue to affect their life in more ways than either of them can possibly imagine.
Knowledge is a universal concept. Throughout the peer-reviewed article, there were many different types and dimensions of knowledge gap. Knowledge gap and research gap tie together with motivation theory as well. When you are motivated to do the research, you gain the knowledge. And when you put in the effort to learn, it becomes much easier to succeed. Depending on people's background and present sources of information through media, knowledge can differ significantly. In class, we are all affected by the spiral of silence. And I think this applies to gaps in knowledge because of the media. People hesitate to ask questions based on their confidence in their education on the subject. Knowledge isn't necessarily equal throughout everyone, but media and other influences can both help and harm your education, and that feeds into the knowledge gap theory.
The study. Conduct a controlled experiment where participants with varying initial knowledge levels are exposed to new information through different mediums. Assess their knowledge before and after exposure, analyzing the impact of initial knowledge on information retention. This could provide insights into how knowledge gap affects learning and whether they widen over time.
As you can see, the scholars from this prestigious university have conducted thorough research, unveiling the intricate dance of knowledge gap theory. Witnessing it in action through their enlightening clip serves as a testament to the theory's profound impact, a delicate ballet between understanding and the quest for knowledge in our ever-evolving world. A splendid spectacle indeed. To give them anything less than full points would be a travesty of cosmic proportions. I am the real and not at all AI-generated voice of Sir David Attenborough, and this has been Journalism 103, Introduction to Media and Society, presented by Dr. Todd Feltz.
He's just like,
Okay, I haven't done this in like 10 years.
no, we
But
got
you
this.
know what
He's
to
so
do,
glad
and we don't.
It's natural. Just if I start falling, we gotta catch.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. Sorry. I totally need to practice.
No, but the toss is there.
Is
Good
it?
practice. Yeah, like
Okay.
that. There was height to
Okay.
it. Oh my
Okay, cool.
god.
That is so funny.